Hello, my name is Vanessa. I am the online resident chef for Sur La Table, and I'm coming to you from Seattle. Today we will be cooking eggs Benedict from the Sur La Table's brunch collection recipes in the Breville Plaza. So let's get cooking. Today we're gonna use a recipe from Sur La Table brunch collection, and we are gonna be using actually the Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide machine. It's gonna make it incredibly easy to put together, okay? So let's go to our app, and we are gonna look for the recipe and get the machine going. And it's going right now. Because we need to poach some eggs, which is one of the components of our eggs Benedict, we need to get a Ziploc bag with warm water ready to go. The second component is gonna be a vinegar reduction. We are gonna add some wine, some vinegar, shallots, and some peppercorn. We want it to reduce, so super concentrated. This has been reducing, so once it gets to 1 tablespoon, just go ahead and turn the heat off. And we are going to separate the eggs because we need 4 yolks. Now that we have separated our egg yolks, we are gonna put all of these ingredients for the hollandaise together. 1 tablespoon of that reduction, we're gonna go in with the clarified butter and the yolks. Make sure there's no air in there, otherwise the bags are gonna start floating. Just have it here. So for the asparagus, they're gonna go in the bag. And then of course we need some flavor, so we're gonna add some olive oil, a couple of pinches of salt, pepper. Ready to go, beautiful. And we have our last component. So we need to take that bag out of the pot, and we are going to put our eggs in there. So now I can put all of these 3 bags at the same time. While this is cooking, then you want to start getting ready with your English muffins. Give them a good brush with melted butter. There we go. All right, everything that was sous vide is already done. The eggs will have to rest for about 5 minutes. Asparagus. The ingredients that were in the bag for the hollandaise, you actually have to blend them so that you can emulsify them. Look at that, so delicious. So beautiful. I'm gonna get my muffins from the oven. Ham. Pieces of asparagus will be great. Carefully. Beautiful. And then of course I want to put a little bit of salt and pepper just on the eggs before I pour the hollandaise in there. This is the best part. And the final touch here is cayenne pepper. And there you have it, classic egg Benedict. I'm gonna keep enjoying this. Thank you for joining me in this class. Check out other great recipes that we have SLT, Sur La Table, in the Breville Plaza app. Happy cooking!